Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to deliver my 16th lecture for the subject English language from the book The Grammar Tree, chapter number 3, part A and B. So students, your part A. Change the number of the following nouns from the singular to the plural. Singular, plural. Number 1, story, stories. Day, days. Watch, watches. Scarf, scarves. Kite, kites. Calf, calves. City, cities. Mass, messes. Wish, wishes. Mango, mangoes. Now we are moving to the part B. The birds flew away. The man stood near the field and watched the boys play. Number 3, the babies was playing with its mothers. Number 4, the cooks made an omelette with an eggs and tomatoes. Number 5, mother put the glasses and the dishes on the shelves. Number 6, the children could hear the wolves howling. Number 7, the lady sat on sofa and the men were standing. 8, the fairy and the elves danced around the sleeping woman. Number 9, all the furniture was made of wood. 10, you should go to the dentist to have your teeth looked at. 11, the visitor stood and watched the deer in the park. 12, all night the mice would come out and play. 13, the girl plucked cherries from the trees. 14, there was an old dresses and a broken toys in the boxes. 15th, Sam bought a loaves of bread. He wanted to make sandwiches.